To activate your Afterpay Plus card, start by ensuring you have received your physical card in the mail. Once you have the card, go to the Afterpay website and log in to your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to sign up for one. Once logged in, click on the Afterpay Plus card section and select the Activate Card option. You will be prompted to enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is the 16-digit number on the front of the card. The expiration date is the month and year the card expires, and the security code is the 3 or 4-digit number on the back of the card. After entering the card details, you will be asked to create a PIN for your card. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. You will need to enter the PIN twice to confirm it. Once you have created your PIN, your Afterpay Plus card will be activated and ready to use. You can use your card to make purchases online or in store, and you will be able to track your spending and payments through the Afterpay website or app. It is a good idea to make a note of your card details and PIN, and to keep them in a safe place. You should also make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions of your Afterpay Plus card, including the fees and charges that apply. By following these steps, you can easily activate your Afterpay Plus card and start using it to make purchases. Remember to always use your card responsibly and make your payments on time to avoid any late fees or charges.